Today in front of me Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display feature on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the Always On Display and lock screen section. Now just click here to AOD. Here you can see that we can here get the custom image, or just to select one from these tabs of the Always On Display. We can set the signature here, and also we can here just enter something what you want. And to apply this, here also we can select the analog watch, the kaleidoscope, the digital clock, and to select the different backgrounds. For example, we can go with this cactus. We can also apply this theme. We can change the color of each of the theme here to the data, battery status, and the notifications. And also we can just turn off the notifications here, and to turn off or turn off the battery status. And now if we'll apply this theme, and now we will go here to the Always On Display feature again. When we lock the display, you can see that we just successfully customized the AOD on our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.